Sending money to loved ones in Nepal shouldn't be a headache. Let's make it simple using WorldRemit. First, head over to WorldRemit.com or open the WorldRemit app on your phone. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, click on Send to and select Nepal from the list of countries. Now, you'll need to add your recipient's details. This usually includes their full name, address, and phone number. Make sure you have this information handy to avoid any delays. Accuracy is key here. Next, choose how your recipient wants to receive the money. WorldRemit offers several options in Nepal, like bank transfer directly into their account, cash pickup at a local agent, or even mobile money transfer. Select the option that works best for them. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see the exchange rate and any associated transfer fees clearly displayed. WorldRemit is transparent about these costs, so you know exactly what you're paying. Choose your payment method. WorldRemit accepts various options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Select the one that's most convenient for you. Double-check all the details on the review page. Ensure the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method are all correct. This is your last chance to make any changes before sending. Finally, confirm the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number. Keep this number handy, as your recipient might need it to pick up the money. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to Nepal using WorldRemit.